This is a cool lick and also a very powerful exercise, moving thirds intervals very fast up and down the neck. I've just played all possible thirds of the A Aeolian minor mode and I connected them with slides. Let me show you the thirds. Major third, major third, minor third, minor third, major third, minor third, minor third, major third, major third, minor third. And now I'm gonna show you how they are chained together. I always connect those thirds by a slide. And of course, if you want to enhance this exercise, try this on other strings. Hey there, let's practice some sixth intervals up and down the neck. I'm in the key of A Mixolydian and the order of sixes goes like this. Major 6, minor 6, major 6, major 6, minor 6, minor 6, major 6, major 6. This is the octave and back. I added a rhythmic motive to this, so you get a really nice lick. I start here with the major 6 in the second position. The first note is only with the first motive. When repeating the motive, this is gonna be a pause. Slide to the next 6. Again, slide. And then 2 up beats. And from here, we play the same motive, but we do not begin with the first note, we begin with the upbeat. The same here. And then we play exactly that idea downwards. We start again with a low note, which isn't in the repetition. Together. Hey there! This lick is a great exercise to find all possible sixth intervals in one position. I'm gonna show you this in the key of A Dorian, making this A here in the 5th position an anchor point for orientation. Starting with this upper minor 6 here on top. Major 6. Then string change, minor 6. Major 6. Major 6. Then again string change, and now, because we have left the B string, we get an offset. Minor 6. Major 6. Minor 6. Major 6. Above here, this fingering is a minor 6, but down here, it's a major 6. And a minor 6 looks like this. Play around with these sixes, make a lick out of them.